output so far I've seen of Kat Bersola.
Soltones. Naghahanap ng panapos. De Jesus. Yes! Ella De Jesus! Binigay ang panalo na Mr. Paterno. Ang major sponsor nitong Perlas Lady Spikers. Pang-anim na laban, Coach Ronnie, aangat ang Perlas dito. 3 wins, 3 losses.
Not an easy thing to do. Coming from behind, down 2 sets, and then suddenly coming alive sa 3rd set. But more importantly, in the 5th and final set, a blistering start, warding off a late run. And they will be rewarded with their first winning streak. And they will be at 3-3 kasamang Eric. A lock on the 4th spot pagkatapos dito sa labang ito.
Kitang-kita natin yung puntos doon ni Ella De Jesus. Napatayo.